Articles. So what are articles? Articles are actually demonstrative adjectives that are placed before noun to determine or to point them out in a specific or general sense. So articles are actually demonstrative adjectives. Yes, demonstrative means pointing out this, that, like this. So demonstrative adjective and article should be placed before nouns. Like the words a and the are called articles. So we will study here where we have to put a, where we have to put n, and where we have to put the. So let's read the example. A dog was sitting at the doorstep. So dog is a noun. So article placed before noun. Yes. Doorstep, this is also noun. So the before the noun we have placed. So where we have to put these article a and the before the noun, because it is a kind of demonstrative adjectives. Now the next thing is, listen, there are two kinds or two categories of articles. First is indefinite article and definite article. There be no third type of article, indefinite article and definite article. In indefinite article, these two will come, a or n. This will called be indefinite article, and the will be called definite article. So a and n comes in type indefinite article, and the will come in the definite article. So there are two categories of articles, indefinite articles and definite articles. What is indefinite article? A or n. And what is definite article? The. Now we will study where we have to put a or n and where we have to put the. So let's come with the indefinite article. So indefinite article, a, n. Use of a. A is used before singular noun starting with a consonant sound. So you know consonant sound, just excluding a, e, I, o, u, leaving a, e, I, o, u sounds. So when you leave a, e, I, o, u vowel sound, other sound will be called the consonant sounds. So when there will be a consonant sound, there you have to put a. I am telling you to focus on consonant sound, not on the consonant letter. Yes, like a student was suspended from the school. Student, stew. So stew, just focus on the sound, not on s. Yes, cat, car. Focus on sound, not on c. Film, fur. So sound. So let's go for a sound. You have to fill a or n according to the sounds, vowel sounds, consonant sounds. So you have to put a before the consonant sounds. Okay, a student, a cat, a film. So this is indefinite article. Indefinite means a student. A student means can be any student. There is nobody particular we are talking about. A student was suspended from the school, but which student we don't know. So it is about any student. A cat is fond of milk. So we are talking about a cat, any cat, category of cat. Yes, but not any particular cat, that my cat, yours cat, that nothing about particular cat. A film entertains us a great deal. So a film can be any film. Yes, nothing particular. So indefinite article is indefinite. It never particularize the thing. It never define the thing. Define the things. Now look this example. I found a 1 rupee note on the way home. Now look this. O. It is a vowel. O, E, A, E, I, O, U. Vowel. But when we pronounce it, what sound come? V. 1. V. So V is not a vowel sound. It is a consonant sound. So that's why we have to put A. Students join a university. So look at this. University, U. This is vowel. But when we pronounce it, university, U, and it has a sound U. Yes, this is not a vowel sound, this is consonant sound. So, a university, not an university. Now, coming to the next one, use of an. An is used to indicate singular nouns starting with a vowel sound. So, A, E, I, O, U, these are the letters. But if vowel sound is there, starting sound is vowel sound, then you have to put N. Like an owl, owl, ah. Okay, an egg, egg. Next one, an arm, arm. An R, H is silent over here, R. Yes, an inspector, inspector. An honest, honest. So all these words have first sound, vowel sound. So we will put N before it. So you have to focus on the sound, vowel sound. Then you have to put N, consonant sound. Then you have to put A. That's it. Now let's do one exercise given here. First one. We had to wait for dash hour and dash half before we were let in. So in between A or N we have to fill. So we had to wait for hour. Hour, vowel sound. Then what will come? N. And half, ha. So it is consonant sound. So a. So we had to wait for an hour and a half before we were let in. Next one. Bihu is dash fest, harvest festival. So harvest. Harvest is ha is consonant sound. So Bihu is a harvest festival. Next one. They had dash meeting with us today. So they had meeting. Meeting is also a consonant sound. So they had a meeting with us today. Next one. Fresh wheat cookies are dash offering to the sun deity in an Indian festival. So offering, offering, offering. It is vowel sound. So are an offering. Next one. The teacher gave us dash exercise on the new topic. Exercise, act. So it is also a vowel sound, and exercise. Next one. I noticed dash one-eyed man staring at me across the road. One-eyed man, one-eyed man. I told you it is vowel, but when we pronounce it, the sound is consonant, wa, one. So we have to put, for a consonant sound, we have to put a. And I noticed a one-eyed man staring at me across the road. Next one, seventh one. She will be studying in dash university abroad after completing school. University, this is vowel, but when we pronounce it university, U, and U is not a vowel sound, it is a consonant sound. So she will be studying an university. No, she will be studying in a university. Okay, next one. I had noticed the sky growing dark, yet forgot to carry dash umbrella. Umbrella. Yes, it is vowel sound. And so vowel sound. So we have to put N, an umbrella. An umbrella. Next one. The USA is dash union of 50 states. Union, letter is vowel, but sound U is consonant sound. Yes, so a union. The USA is a union of 50 states. Next one, you have misspelled the words as L is missing in it. L. It is letter consonant, but when we pronounce it, no. L, A. Vowel sound is coming. L. So A is coming. So like if vowel sound comes, no, we have to put N. So you have misspelled the word as an L in is missing in it. Okay. So just go for the sound. Pronounce the word correctly. Listen it carefully, and if the vowel sound is coming, then put N, and if consonant sound is coming, then put A. Now next class we will do the definite article, that means the.